Everybody should ratchet the pressure. I was disappointed to see that some of the so-called crypto exchanges, not all of them, but some of them, are refusing to end transactions with Russia. And for some, I don't know the philosophy of libertarianism or whatever. Everybody, and if there has to be legal or regulatory pressure, everybody should do as much as possible to isolate Russian economic activity right now. Those are some of Hillary Clinton's words during an interview at MSNBC on the topic of cryptocurrency in the current world chaos. So will Hillary Clinton's words and Elizabeth Warren's request to regulators be the final blow to the already falling crypto market? If you're ready to listen and see what happens next, just make sure you stick to the end of this video. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto, and welcome to AB Crypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _AB Crypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. Former presidential candidate Hillary Clinton continues with her public opinions towards crypto, and in this case, slamming cryptocurrency exchanges that have yet to ban Russian users. She also continues to discuss a lot of negativities about cryptocurrency, saying that it facilitates illegal activities since it is unregulated. Essentially, she's saying that it's the boogeyman, but ignoring the fact that it continues to get more regulated. Regardless, her overall point towards cryptocurrency is that it's just plain bad. She says that cryptocurrency hurts people, and of course, we're witnessing her cohorts echo the same thing, refusing to acknowledge the good that cryptocurrency is doing in the world. On the other side of the coin, U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren urges regulators to increase scrutiny on crypto as it risks undermining sanctions against Russia. She is urging financial regulators to take this threat seriously and increase their scrutiny of digital assets. And now our question to you guys is, do you agree with the two on their stance against crypto? It seems to us that Hillary Clinton and Elizabeth Warren are not providing the full picture. They're saying that Putin can use crypto to avoid sanctions, Putin can use crypto to do nefarious things, and all sorts of other crazy things. The two are also refusing to acknowledge the help that Ukraine is getting from crypto. Ukraine has received over $50 million in crypto donations. Talking about Ukraine's Web 3.0 DAO, the Ukraine DAO has received over $6 million via NFT sales alone to aid Ukrainian citizens. Now, let's put this in perspective for the rest of the world. We think the push for regulations or stopping of crypto would greatly impact nations who have incorporated crypto into their system already. Some countries like Mexico and some cities like the Swiss city of Lugano are integrating Bitcoin payments and exploring cleaner mining. And in Lugano, the bigger headline is that its citizens are now able to use Bitcoin to pay for their taxes via their Tether partnership. Now, with the ongoing Hillary Clinton's push for crashing crypto, these countries could be at higher risk of facing a huge economic blow. We don't know exactly where the crypto market will be heading, but this is up to you now. You have to make sure that you always stay updated on the current trends because, well, who knows? Maybe Bitcoin and Ethereum will end up being the only digital currencies in crypto, or maybe the whole system starts to emerge more officially. Now, always do more research as our videos are for educational purposes only. We do not give out any financial advice, just our thoughts, opinions, and facts. We appreciate you guys for watching, and we will always ensure that we bring you the latest updates on what is happening in crypto. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.